friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen chicken thighs in an Instant Pot. So what we need is frozen, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and no need to defrost them. Instant Pot will cook them straight from frozen. And we need 1 cup of water for pressure cooking and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to be using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And I'm going to use the metal wrap that came with the Instant Pot. And if you don't have it, you can just put chicken directly in the water. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of water for pressure cooking. And I'm going to add chicken. So you can use as many chicken thighs as you'd like. The amount of water is always 1 cup, no matter how much chicken you have. And the pressure cooking time also remains the same. So I'm going to add frozen chicken thighs. And now you can add seasonings. So I'll just sprinkle on the seasonings. And at the end, once they're cooked, you can always add more seasonings because they don't stick very well to frozen food, but you can still add some now and then some more later. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button. And let's set the time to 25 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked chicken thighs, straight from frozen. And now let's take them out of the Instant Pot. Perfect. These chicken thighs are perfectly cooked and they look so tender. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Let me just cut it so you can see how they cut so easily. They're super soft. They're perfectly cooked inside. So let's try it. This is so delicious. This chicken is so tender. Instant Pot is perfect for cooking chicken thighs straight from frozen. You will love it. It's so easy. Just dump them in the Instant Pot and it's going to cook them to perfection. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!